Day one. Boxes are moved in, furniture is moved in, the unpacking begins. It's been an extremely long day. My legs are sore, my back is sore, my feet hurt. But here she go. We're enjoying it. I honestly think she loves it so much. She loves the space to herself. She's very curious, so she loves exploring it, and I don't know, it feels so homey already, even though, clearly, yeah, that's a lot of stuff. But it's just great. I can't wait to give you guys a tour. Day number 2. I've put some stuff away in the kitchen area. Obviously, there's still a bunch of crap everywhere. We have the mattress. We're letting it rise. We're sleeping on the floor again. Yeah, there's still lots that needs to be done everywhere. So that's it. I'm really tired and my feet hurt, but we're here. So I'm a terrible vlogger, and I kind of forgot to take videos for last night and the night before. It's day 4 right now. Alright, day 4, here we go. My sink is actually leaking, it's brand new stuff, but like my sink is leaking into the cabinet. So all of that was under the sink and it was organized so nicely, but I have to have it out and wait for a dude to come by and fix it. So that's what the bathroom looks like. Oh, I did get a shower curtain and stuff, but it's a little too long. So I am going to order a shorter outside shower curtain. I like my rug. Did I show you guys that already? I don't know, but it's cute. These little food stations right there. I'm standing like at the front door, by the way. So like this is what you see when you walk in. I don't think that mirror is gonna stay. It might, I don't know. It's covering a light or a breaker panel, at the moment, which is kind of cool, but like, I don't know. I don't really want a mirror like in my kitchen, I guess. Kitchen organization hasn't really gone, like, it's not finished, I guess, but it's coming along. Look, I have food. Oh my god, food! Poggers! And alcohol. My bed. Whoa! The desk. Work in progress still, but it's so cool. I love the sit-stand thing. It's awesome. And the chair is so cute, and it has a cute little kitty pillow in it. You can't see it right now because obviously there's stuff on it, but I'll show you later. It's really cute. This is Neil's litter box. Kind of modern and cool, I think. Still a bunch of stuff, but my TV is all set up. Yeah, boxes. That's about it. But yeah, all is well, right? All is well. The cute little kitty. Wait, let's talk about what do vloggers do? What do vloggers do? So the past 2 days has been lots of unpacking. My mom came over to help me. She basically unpacked like my entire closet, so that was kind of nice. Shout out to Mom. Love you. I'm having to get lots of things from Amazon. Like a lot of things. Like a lot of things. Basically everything except for groceries I've gotten from Amazon. So, thanks Amazon. You're great. I haven't really cooked anything yet, except when my mom came over, my stepdad and Cameron and Jaden came over for an evening, and we grilled at the grills out by the pool. We grilled steak and had pasta salad, and that was really cool. But I also realized that I don't have any kitchen things, like mixing bowls, a strainer, just like, I don't know, things that you would normally have in a kitchen that I didn't really think about. So I have to get stuff like that too off Amazon. Mia's being really cute. Look at her.
Look at this little kitty. Look
Look at this little kitty meow. Oh, it's a little kitty. Oh, it's a little kitty. I think she's so happy here. She loves it. She loves this space. She does get a little scared at random sounds, but for the most part, I think she really likes it. Yo! It is Wednesday, a whole week and one day after I have moved. It's definitely been a lot of work, especially the whole desk setup and PC upgrading and all of that, but I like it a lot. It's really great. Waking up to a cityscape every morning is awesome, and I feel very lucky, and I am excited to show you. Alrighty, so this is what you see when you first walk into my place. To the right is the restroom. The maintenance guy finally came by and fixed my sink, and I have I don't know, simple decor. I got the right size shower curtain. All of that is good to go. I love my rug. I eventually want to get, more hand towels for that and whatnot, but that's my bathroom. To the left, as you walk in, is a coat closet. That is potentially still a work in progress. I've just kind of put stuff in there that I won't really use very often. All of these totes are like holiday decorations and keepsakes and sewing machine, tools, stuff like that. So that is tucked out of the way. I've been using these cabinets for food. I don't really have a mechanism to how I organize this all yet, because it's I'll just figure it out as I go, and I don't think I have a lot of food stuff, but we have like towels and extra of that at the top. I put used extra stuff and laundry stuff in here. This is my washer and dryer. There's stuff in the dryer right now. Kinda cool. They're cute. They sing to you. I love it. It's so adorable. This is my kitchen. I absolutely love the kitchen. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love my silverware. I got this silverware, the kind that only one person, thank you Doom Bunny, voted on. I really like this. They're nice and thick and heavy, and they're just great. I love them. So yeah, that's the silverware I decided to go with. This is the kind of, I don't know what the frick to do with it cabinet. That binder is like a recipe binder, plastic plates and forks for when we go to the community area to eat, all that good stuff. All of these cabinets and drawers are soft close, by the way. It's so nice. My cute pink plates, aren't they adorable? And then glasses and stuff up there. This is my open shelving. I might move stuff around. I'm not really happy with it. I kind of want it less cluttery, but I don't know what to do. I don't know where to put my wine. I don't know what to do with it all. So it's just the way that it is right now. My sink, currently, this does not go up all the way. This is where my garbage bin and recycle bin are gonna go down here, side by side, and I have little labels for them. But as of now, it's just kind of like a cleaning cabinet. Do you think it came? This is the... Oh my god, this controls this. Oh my god, that's why it's acting... Wow, I should be a plumber, dude. I just figured things out. Holy, this is like a clamp to keep that from, overextending out here. Oh my god, I'm gonna fix it myself. No need for a maintenance man. This is my coffee bar. Cute, right? I have all of my mugs. I have all of my coffee stuff. This entire cabinet is dedicated to coffee. There's a little area for tea up there, but yeah, that's basically it. This is cabinets for my pots and pans. They're so cute, look at them. The air fryer, toaster, I have the kettle in there that I totally use all the time. Strainer, mixing bowls, Tupperware, all that good stuff. And this is a junk drawer. Hi kitty, how you doing? Hi. My hands are kind of sweaty, I'm sorry. My entertainment center, I've had that for a long time. You've probably already seen it. That's my bed, super cute. Got New's little cubby hole thing that I'm using as like a little nightstand. My little cube shelf thingy to the other side is just kind of holding like candles and pens and notebooks and important documents binder, stuff like that. This is my desk. Wow, poggers. My ring lights are adjusted very, very tall so that I hopefully don't get a weird shadow on my face anymore from the monitors being there. It's a sit-stand desk. Those boxes to the right of my desk right now are just like extra things that I'm gonna get rid of, but I have nowhere to put it yet. I'll show you the whole sit-stand thing. It's kind of neat. So we can move this out of the way. Boop, boop, boop. I set the one preset to be my sit down height. So it does its thing and it lowers and it's kind of cool. I've mostly been using it while standing, so I haven't, you know, really, yeah. Kind of cool. I also upgraded PC parts. I changed my water cooler back to the old one that I had because I thought it looked cooler and more minimalistic, no logo. I have a beautiful white 3090 in here now. We got Bruni back in here and we got Bulba back in here and the cute little Bulbasaur sticker. Yeah, so that's all good. Let's go to the closet, I suppose. This is kind of a mess. This is all my clothes. Extra PC parts stored up there. My shoes and my weights, and I'll eventually hang that up, I think, somewhere. I'm just not sure where yet. So this is my balcony. I have super awesome views. So we come and we look out here and wow, we got the mountains over there. We've got the Capitol building. We've got lots of skyscrapers. Construction. Lots of trees. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Wow. That's my view. That's really it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I kind of want to put some cute chairs out here, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. We'll see. It's a cute little kitty. I'm scared to let her out on the balcony. I think she's dumb, and I think she'd jump on the railing, so I have not let her out here free will yet. I don't know what else to say. I don't know how to do an outro, so I guess I don't know. That's it. Okay. Hold on. Frick, turn around. Hello. No, not zooming on my face, you freaking turn. How do I get it to turn? It's not turning. What the fuck? Oh my